Hello and welcome to the tutorial on Find the Missing Number. In this tutorial we're going to do numbers up to 15 with addition questions, and this is the third tutorial we're doing in this series. In this tutorial we're going to concentrate on mental arithmetic. So let's begin by having a look at the question we're going to work through. Now suppose we have this. We've got 8 plus something equals 14. 8 plus something equals 14. Now you will know that from tutorials A and B that you can use the dot method, the number line, or the counting method to come to the correct answer. But we're going to use mental arithmetic to do this. Now the first stage is, do you remember your number bonds? Number bonds to 10. Which two numbers added together give 10? Well, we can do it here. We'll start with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On this side we write them in reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And let's join them with lines. So 0 plus 10 equals 10, 1 plus 9 equals 10, 2 plus 8 equals 10, and so on. We don't need to carry on down on this side, because the numbers turn out to be the same as the ones we're going up here. So those are the number bonds. And how are we going to do the question? Well, the question says it is 8. We're starting at 8 and we have to finish at 14. So how much do we need to get from 8 to 14? Now you can either count from 8 or go straight to 14, but suppose you've got much larger numbers. Okay, what if it was 78 plus something equals 114? Now you wouldn't want to count that, so let's do this in stages. First of all, let's get the 10. So from number 8 we are gonna go from 8 to 10, and then from 10 we're going to go to 14. So which number added to 8 gives us 10? Well, we know that over here it's this one over here. It is 2. Now from 10 to 14, how much do we need? Well, that's a nice easy one. 4. So we've got 2 to go from 8 to 10, and we've got 4 to go from 10 to 14. So we've got 2 and 4. So what is 2 plus 4? The answer is 6. And there we have it. The answer is 6. It's as easy as that. Let's write this down. Now let's have a look at another question where we are going to look for the first number. So let's have a look at our example. We have got something plus 4 equals 12. So something plus 4 equals 12. Now again, you can use the dot method, the number line, or the counting method, but let's have a look at the number bonds that we've been using and try to work this out with mental arithmetic. So the first stage is, we are looking at, what number are we looking at? We've got 4 to begin with, and we have to finish at 12. So we've got 4, and we have to finish at 12. Now what we're going to do is, the same way we did the first one, we're going to go from 4 to 10, and then from 10 to 12. From 4 to 10, and then from 10 to 12. So what number added to 4 gives us 10? Well, we know that from our number bonds. It's over here. It is 6. Now what number added to 10 gives us 12? Well, that's quite easy. It's just the units. It's 2. So therefore we have the numbers 6 and 2. 6 and 2. So what is 6 plus 2? Well, we know that 6 plus 2 is 8. And that is our answer. 8 plus 4 equals 12. And like I said, we're using small numbers here, so you can just simply count. But once you get the hang of how to use the number bonds, you'll be able to do mental arithmetic of much larger numbers.